How to add slow motion effect in VN Video Editor. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open VN Video Editor, import your media. Then at the bottom in the timeline, click on the video and click on speed at the bottom. In speed, you'll find two options, which is curve and regular. You can click on curve and adjust if you want. If you want regular, click on regular and make sure the yellow mark is below 1x. After you do that, press on tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then your video will be in slow motion. And this is how to add slow motion effect in VN Video Editor Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.